Hi there, and welcome to Math with Ms. Khurana. In this video, you will learn how to find the greatest common factor of two numbers using prime factorization. We will find the prime factorization of 102 and 153. So let's find the prime factorization of 102 first. Using rules of divisibility, we know that 102 is divisible by 2. 2 times 51 is 102. 2 is prime, so we can circle that. 51, we need to continue to see if it can be factored further, and I think it can. 5 plus 1 is 6. Since 6 is a multiple of 3, 51 is divisible by 3. 3 times 17 is 51. 3 is prime, and so is 17. So we now have the prime factorization of 102. Let's find the prime factorization of 153. 153 is not divisible by 2, but I do think it's divisible by 3. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 3 is 9. Since 9 is divisible by 3, so is 153. 3 times, let's see, 51. 3 times 51 is 153. 3 is prime. Now we need to factor 51, and we already did that right there in the earlier example, which is going to be 3 times 17. Okay, now we have both of the numbers in prime factorization. Now we're going to list them out and write down the factors of each one. Let's make a list for those two numbers. The prime factorization of 102. 102 is 2 times 3 times 17. And the prime factorization of 153, we're going to line up the factors that match. Is 3 times another 3 times 17. So now we want to see which prime factors were common to both of these numbers. 3 is common, and so is 17. The 2 right here in 102, it's not common with the prime factorization of 153, and this 3 that we have left over in 153 does not have a matching factor in 102. So our greatest common factor of these two numbers will be the product of the two prime factors that are common in both the list, which will be 3 times 17, which is 51. Remember to practice what you've learned to become fluent in the language of math.